we're going to be growing some crystals. So that's what we're doing in this video. And also stay tuned and watch the whole video because there's going to be a surprise at the end for people who are going to love rocks, minerals, and gems. So I'm going to show you what we have. Can you please give to me this video? It's this Discovery Crystal Growing Kit. So it's also a STEM activity. And also, like in the last video, make sure you have a parent near because you never know when something could go wrong. So before we're going to start growing the crystals, we're going to be showing you the things that came in the kit. So we have crystal growing powder. We have orange, blue, and white. We have the crystal growing seeds, 3 for each color. We have the tray that we're going to grow the crystals in, and the 2 mixing sticks. And also you have to have some boiling water, so make sure you ask a parent to help with that step.
How are crystals formed?
Crystals are formed when atoms and molecules come together and group in an orderly fashion. As more atoms and molecules come together, the crystal grows. This process is called crystallization. So now that you know how crystals grow, let's get to the experiment.
Yes!
So we're going to put boiling water into the tree first. Make sure you have a parent to help with this. My mom's going to help. And make sure you put it 3/4 of the cup. So we're going to be cutting the crystal growing powder, and we're going to be pouring it into the tray, like this. Man, and you have to stir it before you could put the seeds in. So I'm stirring it up. Now that we have put all the powders in, we have to mix it. While we are waiting for the solution to go to room temperature, Dasma, do you want to learn about precious and semi-precious stones? So precious and semi-precious stones can be sorted by their value. So the 4 main traditional precious stones are ruby, emerald, sapphire, and diamond. And the other branch of semi-precious stones are tourmaline, aquamarine, agate, amethyst, pearls, and many more. So now that the solution is at room temperature, we are going to be putting the seeds, the crystal growing seeds, into the solution. Make sure you put it at the exact middle of the solution in the trays. It will take 1 to 6 days for the solution to be a crystal. The longer you wait, the bigger the crystal will get. This is day 1 of the crystal formation. So it looks like we'll have to wait a few more days for them to fully appear. But they're starting to appear. So that's the update for today. See you tomorrow. So this is day 2 of crystal growing. It hasn't changed that much, but it's still changing. So we're gonna give you a heads up on tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, this is day 3. We do see some crystals growing, but not really much. So we're gonna give you a progress report on tomorrow. Maybe then it will show more. So it's day 4. We haven't seen really that much growth, but there has been some growth. So we're gonna check back tomorrow to see how it will look like. Bye. So this is day 5. We have seen some improvement. And so we're gonna check back tomorrow. Bye.
Today is day 7, and look, the crystals grown big.
Yes, Turmia, the crystals indeed have grown big and taken shapes as well. You could see here, from a tiny seed, it has grown into a big crystal, and you can see those fine crystallets, I guess that's what they're called. They have started taking shape here in the white one as well, and also in the orange one. This is amazing. So just for the viewers, it takes in reality hundreds of thousands of years, in some cases maybe millions of years, for the crystals to actually form. This was more of a scientific experiment just to see how the crystals grow, and we see now the crystals growing process. So I took the crystals out from their plastic bins just to take a closer look as to how they are actually looking. So this is the orange one. This is amazing. Look at the top. You could actually see the fine shapes here. Wow. So this is just scientifically grown. Just imagine how cool the actual crystals will be looking in the mines when they are digging them out raw. This is amazing. Let's look at the white one. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful.
Surprise I was telling you at the beginning of the video. Here it is! My rocks, fossils, minerals, and gems collection. Starting with my rocks collection. All of them are from Utah and Colorado except these 2. And you know what's so special about these 2? They are translucent. So Turmia, can you hold the flashlight? Look, see? Look at that, isn't that cool? It's translucent. Right, Turmia? Isn't that cool? You see, like the other one, this one is also translucent. Now we're going to be showing my fossil collection. There's only 2 fossils. This is a small shell, and this is a animite. See, I figured out what it was from this book. Rocks, fossils, minerals, and gems. It's this one right here. Now I'm going to be showing my semi-precious stones. This over here is a jasper. This here is a blue turquoise. This here is a rose crystal. And finally, this one is a red beryl. And also, these are my other semi-precious stones. Now let's move on. So now we're going to be moving on to my mineral collection. So this is my mineral collection, and I'm going to be talking about especially this one. We think it's a magnetite, but we're not really sure because it's black and it has very shiny specks. And now we're going to be moving on to my gemstone sure you see this. Before I show you my gems collection, I'm going to show you the cool things about two of these rocks. This rock specifically, and some other ones, also have this gold color in them, so we think it's gold. This one has it, and also this blue one. So now we're going to be moving on to my gems collection. These are all raw rubies from Pakistan, in Hunza. These ones have fallen off. And we have quite a few of them. Now we're going to be moving on to the other quartz section. This quartz has tourmaline in it, green tourmaline. And there's also a smaller piece over here. Over here, we're not really sure what these are. We think it's green amethysts. And also over here, we have purple amethyst. And last in my gems collection, we don't know what these are. So if you guys know any of them, please comment down below and tell me which ones do you think. So this is it for the video. Please subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, share this video with your friends, like the video, and also we're gonna be doing Legos with our next video, so stay tuned. Bye! See you later on Turmia's World.